Hello, Namaste. Welcome to That Awkward Yogi. This is day 11 of 30 Days Yoga Challenge. I am Payal. I'm not a yoga expert or fitness influencer. I'm just curious, and that's why I'm doing this. So, today I woke up late, and from my past experience, doing yoga under sun is not a very good idea. So, I shifted indoors, but the space is bit tight and there's not much room to stretch freely. But hey, we have to work with what we have got, right? So let's begin. I did a full 30 minutes yoga, so I'm really proud of myself, from day 1 to day 10, from 5 minutes to 30 minutes. I see your progress. What do you think? Thanks for joining me in. Take care. Namaste.